Ooh wee.
Ooh Whee family. Hey, we got a real quick, nice, simple fish, cod dish that we doing today. And I'm gonna do some sweet potatoes with some sauteed Brussels sprouts. Again, I love Brussels sprouts. Remind me of a little cabbage, remind you of a little cabbage. And we're gonna do a simple tartar sauce. I have all the items in the bowl, and I'm gonna mix it, but I'm gonna show you what it is. It's real quick. It's in your refrigerator. You know what I mean? So, Ooh Whee family, you tell me the name of this one. Like, subscribe, comment, and then you tell me what it is. All right? And then we're gonna put it on there. Because I know you're gonna see it. Because it's gonna be advertised like you gotta watch the whole video to see what I did. Because you're gonna get the final product. Ooh wee. I keep the eyes going. So therefore it'll be nice. Got that Ooh Whee butter. We're gonna season up the water for the potatoes. Season it real good. And listen, seafood boil. You see that? Seafood boil. Seafood boil. So it ain't just for, a boil. One episode I did the shrimp, Ooh Whee shrimp bowl. Check that out. Ooh Whee shrimp bowl. Ooh Whee. And it was with this. So I'm just showing you, you just ain't got to go and boil everything. I got you. We're going to saute. We're going to saute. We're going to braise. We're going to smoke. We brine. We're going to do it all. Ooh wee. Here we go. All right, Ooh Whee family. So, I'm going to take the cod, lay it down. I love when the pan starts talking. Just like that. So the water, we're going to let that water, we want it to boil, almost a little boil. Just keep this hot for your Brussels sprouts. Okay? Just keep this hot for your Brussels sprouts. We're just going to do simple Brussels sprouts. Going to drop them in there, saute them off, season them up, and that's it. We ain't going to put no peppers and onions and all that to it. No, none of that. Because when you get that tartar sauce, that Ooh Whee out your refrigerator, I want you to name your tartar sauce too. Name it. Real simple tartar sauce. And everything that I'm doing, you have it already. So why not use it? I'm showing you different ways to do different things with what you already have. And I got another one coming up for you too. I ain't gonna tell you about it though. But I got another one coming up with something you already, that I did, that you still have, that you gonna do something else with. Watch. Watch. All right. So now, see that water almost boiling? So we're just going to take the potatoes. I just left them stacked. Going to grab them. Just going to put them right in there. Just let them fall as they may. Fall as they may. Shake that pan a little bit. Just let them go. Again, we ain't doing nothing real crazy. It's just going to be a real simple fish and chips with a little elevation. Because we did sweet potatoes, we pan searing our cod, and then we're going to saute off our Brussels sprouts with your tartar sauce. So, that tartar sauce I was telling you about, look at that. You got the mayo, sweet relish, fresh dill, and then I beefed it up a little bit with a little more bite to it with fresh peppers. So you got a red pepper, a yellow pepper, and a green pepper in here. You're just going to mix it all together. You know what I mean? That's it. Once you mix it all together, you're going to drop a little bit of your seafood boil in there. See that? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh wee. See that? Look at that, right? Ooh. See that? That's it. That's all you need right there. That's it right there. Right there. All right. Shake that pan a little bit for your fish. Just like that. Once you shake that, we'll start these Brussels sprouts now. Lay them in there. Lay them in there just like that. Once you lay them in there, you take, well, you can leave that little piece of dill in there. Yep. Give it a little more flavor. There you go. There you go. Ooh wee. So now you take that. By this time, now your fish ready to flip. Look at that. Ooh, so tender it broke on me. Look at that. So, and this is a healthy fish for you. So now you don't have to worry about being fried. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh wee family. See there? I told you I got you. Nah. Since you got that going like that, you can cut that down. You can cut your potatoes down. And you'll turn your Brussels sprouts up. Let them cook. Because everything else is ready. You just let them go on low. Let your fish, yeah, there you go. Let your fish is nice and simmer in there a little bit. And if you want to, you can baste it. You know, baste it. So that means you let your oil or your butter, really your butter, come down. Some of y'all gonna use oil, I know it, but it's okay. So you take that, and just pour it over the top. Pour it over the top. And it's gonna come all back down. Grab another one, pour it. See how I got that glistening on it? See that? And you got all that flavor. All that flavor. There. Then we're gonna hit it with a little bit more of this seafood. Just like that. Just like that. Brussels sprouts. Season. Cut your potatoes down one more time on low. And if you want, while you waiting on your Brussels sprouts, baste that fish. So it's gonna be like butter. It's gonna be like a seafood, but not boiled. Ooh wee. See that? See that? Just look at it. It's in the pan still. So wait till it hit the plate. Look at that. Look at that. That's gonna be like a picture. It's gonna be a picture. I promise you. It's gonna be a picture. See that? See how you flipped over? See how that one flipped over right there? That's what you're looking for right there. That's what you're looking for. Then after they all flipped over and ready to go, you're gonna season this side too. Come on. You want? There we go. There we go. See? Now, you're gonna hit this side with a little butter. And you're gonna hit it with some seafood. There you go. Ooh wee, family. Look at that. Look at that, family. Put a glove on. So we're gonna start plating, family. Brussels sprouts, potatoes. I'm gonna use my tongs that I use for the fish to plate everything because it's all going on that dish. It's not no cross-contamination, nothing like that. Just one plate, one dish. All right? So you're gonna take the potatoes. Oooo Whee family. You're gonna take the potatoes. Bam. Look at that. See that? Oooo Whee family. This is the stuff I'm talking about. See, this is in your house. Season that while it's hot. Look at that. Cut that off, family. Cut that off. Cut that off, family. And we can take these. Just like this, family. A little more seasoning, family. See that, family? Look at that. That one broke on me, family. We gonna get it though. Just like that. Look at that. You take that basin butter that you had, pour a little bit over that. Just like that. Just like that, family. I'm gonna do this side too, family. And I ain't forgot about the tartar sauce. We're gonna do that like that, family. Mix that tartar sauce. Ooh Whee family. Listen. You tell me. I showed you. Now this is a whole nother dish, family, that you can have with seafood boil. Everything don't have to be boiled. Ooh Whee.
Swinton Images Media Group.